Guys, I was going through like my wardrobe, and then I came across my sister's orange wig. Came across this wig, and I am gonna revamp it. I will revamp this wig. This wig is gonna look good. I am gonna be using my products. A Lychee. I'll be using my samples to revamp it and make it look good. Guys, I'm using Ama Samples Wami from my brand to wash the wig. These haven't been released yet, so it's part of me like trying to test them out if they work on all type of hair as I would want them to be. So I'll be using these samples to wash the wig. I have submerged a conditioner onto almost every strand, hopefully every strand, guys. Like, I make sure, hey, every strand has a conditioner. So I'm just gonna let it sit in my basin for, let's say, 30 minutes. Yeah, just gonna let the wig sit in there for like 30 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out. This is how the wig looks after being conditioned. So hydrated. So hydrated, so clean. It smells amazing. This is how the wig looks after washing with my A Lychee products and blow drying it. This is how the wig looks after. I cut it. Nina, please. This is my sister's wig, Nina's. She ditched it, okay, and then I revamped it. It is so flowy. Guys, I didn't go to beauty school or anything, but look at how I cut. Look at how I cut. Look at how I cut. Hey, I hope the back is straight because, hey guys, the back. I hope the back is straight. I will fix it properly on someone's head because this is how the wig looks. It's so bouncy. It's so flowy. I whip my hair back and forth. Just whip it. Whip it real good. Just whip it. Whip it real good. All it needs now is an oil and then a flat iron. And then it is good to go.